Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about Windows 11 24H2 that would turn on BitLocker by default. And it seems that really Microsoft is going ahead, but not just going ahead. They've actually removed a few of the requirements that will make even more machines compatible with BitLocker encryption when you will reinstall Windows. So if you just upgrade from a machine that you have on Windows 11 23H2, for example, your system is going to stay the way it is, unencrypted, if you don't use BitLocker. But many have tried and seen that even with some of the insider machines, if you completely reinstall Windows, the drives are going to be encrypted. So this is something that Microsoft is pushing ahead for 24H2, which means a lot of people might not be happy that this happens when they reinstall their computers. And, thinking about it too, thinking that this is going to give you, of course, a key that if you lose the passwords or lose the way that you log into your system, a encryption key will be available for you to, of course, decrypt all of your files. The problem is standard users, regular users, how many people are going to lose that key or not even know what it is, and could end up with a encrypted machine that they'll have to reinstall and lose their data because there's no way to get what's on the drive if you forgot the encryption key. So I don't know. This, I think, is a very bad idea out of Microsoft. It's also a bad idea that now more machines are eligible for this, as they are making the minimum requirement for this to happen lower, which means more machines are now compatible. And it's interesting because they're talking about this, but at the same time, the home version of Windows doesn't have BitLocker, but they're not making any clear, making it clear that it's only Pro. They're kind of hinting everybody's going to be like that. So I don't know. This is a bad idea. Once again, it is being pushed. They're still saying they're going to do it. It once again won't happen when you upgrade. It'll happen when you reinstall Windows. So I plan to reinstall Windows actually, and we'll be seeing if that happens when I do on my machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.